we're gonna make slices of fried fish. This is a recipe by Ada Della Harpe. For this recipe, she suggests sear fish, but this fish we got it from Sri Lanka. So this is Sri Lankan fish. This is Sri Lankan kingfish. My father-in-law brought it to us when he flew over here. This fish has been boiled with tamarind, salt, and turmeric in the pressure cooker for around 8 minutes before sealing in bags, and then it has been brought here because it had to stay fresh. Let's see how to cook this fish. We're going to fry this. So in a pan, add some coconut oil. We have fish here. We have 10 pieces of fish, 2 for each person. So this serves 5 people. This serves a family of 5. And this fish is kingfish, like I said. This fish can be served over red onion sambal. That is what Aradela Hab suggests. So our oil is boiling. What we are going to do is we are going to add fish to our oil. Use a slotted spoon like this. Be careful that when the oil is hot, it can splatter. See how many pieces I can fit in. I can fit in 5 pieces. So let's cover this and cook until one side is cooked thoroughly. This is our fried fish. One side is fried, so we'll turn to the other side. Smells amazing. Be careful not to burn the fish. It's looking beautiful. Look at the lovely color. Let's cover it and cook it. I assume the fish is fried through, so I'm going to remove it. Be careful not to squash the fish. I removed it into some paper napkins or paper serviettes. Add some more. I'm gonna add the rest of my fish. Follow the same procedure. I'm thankful to Paul for letting me use his grandmother's recipes in my videos. Thank you. I'm going to cover this so the excess oil will be absorbed. And turn it the other side just like before. See how the color changes into a beautiful hue? Truly amazing. This is our slices of fried fish. We used kingfish. We can serve this with red onion sambar. I do have that recipe in one of my videos. Thank you. Take care.